3 years ago, none of this existed. I started cooking under a tent and sharing kitchens to save money. One guest at a time. We shared our story, food culture, and passion, and added tiki drinks along the way. Every event and collaboration helped us grow. To everyone who's been a part of this journey, thank you. A new chapter is getting written, with a new location and experience for our growing community. Stay tuned and follow along for the ride.